How to delete your Rednote account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Rednote application, log in with your account details. Click on the three lines at the top left corner and go to settings at the bottom. In setting, go to account security, and at the bottom go to account cancellation. Once you arrive in this page, it is simply the terms and condition you need to agree before cancelling your account. So click on accept at the bottom. In the second page, choose any random reason and click on the red box again. And there you go. That is how easily you can delete your Rednote account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.